how to add Google Analytics 4 to your Shopify store. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can quickly add Google Analytics 4 to your Shopify store. So firstly guys, log in into your Shopify store. After that, you guys are going to see this particular web page. So now from over here, simply take a look at the left side and click on apps. As soon as you guys click on apps, after that click on recommended apps. Now when you guys click on that, after that simply click on Shopify App Store at the bottom, and then that's going to take you guys over to another page. So as soon as you guys come over here, you guys can just simply click on the search bar and you can type in Google Analytics over here. So as soon as you type in Google, you guys are going to see Google Analytics come up. If you guys don't see this, well then just simply type in Analytics, and then after that click on Google Analytics 4. So you guys have all of these plugins come up. So now from over here, simply choose the plugins which have the most reviews, and all of them should be positive. So over here, this particular plugin seems to be the best one. So simply click on it and now click on add app, and then this particular plugin is going to be added to your Shopify store. You'll just have to pay them a one-time fee, and then after that you will be able to use Google Analytics 4 with your Shopify store. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.